Okay, now let's talk about the break apart and distribute strategy when we're dividing. The first thing I want to do is I want to draw a number bond. The reason I'm going to do a number bond is nice representation. It's a nice way to see everything. Okay, so here's my number bond. Now, where do you suppose 64 divided by 8 is going to go? If you said the top, you're right. 64 divided by 8 goes at the top. Now, I'm trying to make this a lot easier to solve, so I'm trying to break apart my 64. My 8 is going to remain the same, so both of these have to be what's called divisible by 8. I have to be able to divide whatever number goes here by 8. Okay, so 64, let's think of easy numbers that can go into 64 that are also divisible by 8. I'm going to go with 40 because it's a nice round number, and I know that 40 plus 24 is 64, so I'm going to do 24 over here. Now, this looks great, but I still don't have my answer, so I'm not done yet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to solve these problems. 64 divided by 8 equals 40 divided by 8 plus 24 divided by 8. Now, do you guys see where I got these equations? From my number bond. All three of these equations came from my number bond. So I'm going to keep 64 divided by 8 over here. But I know that 40 divided by 8 is 5. And I know that 24 divided by 8 is 3. 5 plus 3. So that tells me that 64 divided by 8 equals 8. So I can come back up here. 64 divided by 8